Hello everyone, my name is Jonas Tesfaye and I am from Ethiopia, a land that has never been colonized, a symbol of Africa's resistance and pride. Today I am coming with a video entitled Africa is not poor, and it is the time for a free African state. As we know, our leaders like Haile Selassie, Kwame Nkrumah, and Nelson Mandela fought for Pan-African unity and independence. They envisioned a continent united by shared values and common goals. Yet today, we see a rich continent trapped in poverty, conflict, and foreign dependency. Millions of Africans rely on foreign aid. Our youth are fleeing their homelands in search of hope and opportunity. Foreign powers dominate our economies, education systems, and cultural identities. We believe it is a time for a free African state, one governed by Africans for Africans. Imagine a continent with its own currency, military, and institutions built on African knowledge and value. If we do this, we are. So the African Union must be reformed to serve the people, not the elites. We need our own space, independent trade systems, and a continental peacekeeping force. We must stop begging and start building our Africa. Think of the potential in our youth. Leaders like Thomas Sankara who championed self and empowerment. We must follow their example. We are not poor. We are powerful. Let us reclaim our future and build the Africa we want and we deserve. The time for action is now. Together, let's rise and create a free African state, a future that begins today. Join me in this journey. The future is not something we wait for. It is something we built today. Thank you.